We are out here in Rathdrum today. We're actually on about as east side of Rathdrum as you can get in a community called Lone Mountain Estates. Got the sign right there behind me, Lone Mountain Estates. This is one of those 5-acre lot communities. Beautiful area. The homes go quick in here. It's been very popular. This is really kind of the second edition. The first one all sold out, but it's in a great area. But let's talk a little bit about this community today. I'm gonna throw up some properties. We're gonna do a little drive-through, get you some drone shots, and just kind of see what this looks like over here in this area. If you're looking for, that type of quality of life, get out here where there's a little bit of privacy, have a little acreage, and be close to amenities. This might be a place that'll work great for you. If this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and subscribe below, tap that bell, so you can be notified every time we talk about things going on here in the North Idaho area. Hi, I'm Reed Wilson with Living North Idaho Life, and me and my team, we chat with people like you every day looking for more information about the North Idaho life and what living here would be like, what properties are like, what areas are best, and we're trying to bring some of that to you. So comment below if some of this is helpful, and if there's certain areas that you want to know about, we'd be happy to help you out with that and share that information. Like I said, we're here in Lone Mountain Estates. These are 5-acre lots. These homes start in around that just under 900,000 range. We're gonna take a look at some of these lots, what comes with it. But when you buy a lot out here, these homes are built by Timber Ridge Homes. They do a beautiful job, and then pricing, like I said, starts just under that 900,000. And if you wanna, that's typically a 3-bed, 2-bath. This great little community is still getting built out, but as you saw from some of the drive-through and drone shots, a lot has already been built out. A lot of beautiful homes that have been built, 5-acre lots, like we said. You've got all different kinds of ranges of square footage and shop sizes, and so you really do get some options there of maybe something if you want to more customize. They do have different plans. As you can see, this paved road, so that's what's really nice about this area is you get your 5-acre. This is a publicly maintained road, so it will be plowed in the winter. It is maintained. There's a community water system, so you're not having to put in a well or worry about that. They will put in a septic system, so you will have a separate septic system. So as of right now, there is only one property available, but there are more in the works. And a lot of that is because they just sell very quickly out through here. But I'm going to throw up some what we call ghost listings of a few different properties of what is available right now. We can also sit down and meet with the builder, and if you want something maybe a little different. But as you can see, a lot has been built out, but they are in the works of expanding this. There's a lot of these lots have not been sold yet. You can see there behind me that they have the option to move and then, move further east. And then here behind me, you can see where they've started the road to expand further back in this way. So again, some of the conveniences of this area is we're close to Highway 95, easy access in and out of, if you want to get to the Interstate 90, if you work into town, they keep that 95 very well maintained through the winter. Medical services you are probably from here, depending on traffic, you're going to be somewhere around 20 to 30 minutes to Kootenai Hospital. This does sit in Kootenai County, so Coeur d'Alene is going to be the county seat there. But let me know if there's some particular you're looking for. We have a lot of these types of subdivisions up here. You know, if you're looking for something a little different, maybe something a little further out, or maybe something that's a little closer. Maybe you want something that offers different customized building choices. So we're happy to help, happy to answer those questions, and hopefully we can help make your move to North Idaho a smooth transition. Talk a little bit about where the Lone Mountain Estates is. As we mentioned in the video, it is part of the Rathdrum community. Just to kind of give an idea where that sits at, Spokane over here, I-90 coming across, you have Coeur d'Alene right here, and you actually have Rathdrum here, but it actually sits to the east of Rathdrum. So it's going to sit off up here in this area, which makes it kind of nice because you do get, as you'll notice from the drive-through and the drone, you get just lots of great, beautiful, you know, the trees, and you're out here where you do have a lot of privacy. So this community actually encumbers all of this here. And across there. And then as you noticed on part of that where I was talking, I was standing out here at the end, and they have a road they're starting to build. So my guess is that will probably connect in there. I don't know that for sure, but that would be most likely. All of this is, there's just a few lots available, kind of built out. There's, you'll see there's some homes being built. This one right here is actually available for purchase. It's going to be completed in August. There are some homes and lots available on some of these areas. There's just, I saw a few areas, but this was the last part. We kind of went down with the drone, and most of this, even though there is a little bit of building going on, there's just lots all across down through this area. So this is still all wide open, and then of course, I don't know if some point they'll connect in or something, but you know, I'm sure they'll bring those lots in and around. Now, one thing to be aware of, this is the railroad track. So it does sit down in, and then it's kind of built up here. You know, we've got trees, you know, and like I said, the railroad track actually sits down lower than the land here. So it does give a little bit of a buffer when you're in this area. Now along here, my guess is you're going to hear some trains. You know, it's not going to shake your house, but if you're outside, you're going to hear it. They do not blow their horns. Now they've built an overpass here at Ramsey, so they do not blow the horn going through the intersection there. So you don't get that. But just thought I'd throw that out there. It's one of those things where you would want to stand out on your lot, and you know, there's somewhere between 50 and 100 trains that come up and down this track. So you would want to just stand out there and make sure that it's not going to bother you. So this area here, like we were saying, has really quick, great access to Chilco. You know, on Chilco Road there, you hit 95 takes you back into, you know, you're having to jump on the interstate. If for some reason you're working in Spokane, what makes this nice is from here, you can jump in across, come down, and you can come right into Spokane this back way. And that will shorten your, you know, keep you out of some of the traffic here on I-90 and whatnot, you know, during the rush hour time. To get to the airport, I would cut across and hit I-90 and come out here to the airport. So it's right out here in this area. Other great benefits from this area You know, you do have access up here to Farragut Park. There is the Silverwood. You know, if you're liking to do a lot of water type sports, you know, that's a lot of reason people come here is for the quality of life. So up here you do have access to Bayview. You also have into Farragut Park where you can launch your boats and play. You're really not that far from Hayden and or Twin Lakes and Spirit Lake. So you've got a lot of options right there, depending on if you're fishing, if you're water skiing or surfing or whatever type of water sport you like to do. If you like hiking, there is all kinds of hiking, you know, of course through the park. If you caught our last video of some of the acreages out here in Athol, we talked about some of the hiking and having the ability of the Farragut State Park right there. There is hiking all over through here. ATV, mountain biking, all kinds of trails that just litter this whole mountainside. You can go for miles and miles. There's hunting. There is a lot of areas that are close by that give you access to state land for hunting and recreation and all that kind of stuff. Easy access back in town. You've got your Walmart sits right about here. You've got Costco right in here. Of course, you've got all kinds of places to eat, and then access right down in here to downtown Coeur d'Alene if you like some of that stuff to come in and out and be a part of that. So 20 to 30 minutes out of downtown Coeur d'Alene, depending on traffic. So let us know if we can be of help. Like I said in the video, these are all new homes out there. I'm going to throw up some different properties so you can kind of get an idea of what's being built out there. That price point does start just right underneath that 900,000 range and can go up from there depending on how big, what kind of amenities you like in a home, and you know how big of a shop, those types of things. But as you'll see from our video, there's a lot of big, beautiful homes out there. So you're in an area that's going to continue to go up in value, and so I think it's a great choice for anybody that's looking for a little privacy but doesn't want to be out where maybe you're having to take care of plowing your own roads, digging a well, that type of stuff. So contact us, let us know how we can help. Leave us a comment. I'm not sure if the map section that we do, that I do here, if that actually helps you. Let me know if having the map to kind of get an idea where some of these things are helps you. And hopefully we can help answer any questions you might have. And we're happy to help make your move here to Idaho a very smooth transition. Thank you.